My dear all, already I have uploaded the video of the chapter The Interview part 1, and here you will know part 2, and here written by Umberto Eco. And first I will go through the summarized way. And Umberto Eco was interviewed by Mukund Padmavan. Okay, so here I will talk about Umberto Eco's interview. And Umberto Eco is a university professor, and he has published over 40 academic works. He has written 5 novels also. His novel, The Name of the Rose, got huge success. And Mukund Padmanabhan was the Hindu interviewed Eco. And Padmanabhan began by reminding Eco what David Laws once said about him. He had remarked, I cannot understand how Eco can do all the things he does. He wanted to know how the Eco could do so many things at a time. Eco replied, he seemed to do several things, but he did not. He did. No, did not. He did the same thing. Okay, and he explained that he had some philosophical interests, and he pursued them through the academic works as well as his novels because he was very interested in novel. And then Eco revealed his secret, and he said that there are a lot of empty spaces in everybody's life. He called them interest, interstices. He worked in those interstices. Suppose a visitor was coming to him, and before the visitor reached from the elevator to his room, he would have written an article. Padmanabhan is amazed. It may be possible, that means it can be do. Okay, so Padmanabhan said that the writing style of his academic work had a playful and personal quality about it. It was distinctly different from the regular academic style, which was dry, boring, and impersonalized. Umberto Eco told him that when he had presented him first decorated dissertation, he told the story of his research, including his trials and errors. Whatever they were involved, he was involved in the work. One of the professors highly praised it. At the age of 22, Eco had learned the scholarly books should be written in a narrative way. His essays had a narrative style, and he started writing novels at the age of 50. But it was continuation of his narrative style. Novels satisfied his taste for narration. Mukund told him that his novel, The Name of the Rose, made him a famous novelist from academician. And though he had written only 5 novels against 40 scholarly work, people knew him only as a novelist. Mukund wanted to know if it hurt him, and he could reply that it hurt him because he considered him an academician. He had identified himself with the academic community, and he practiced in academic conference but never wanted to writers meeting. But most people had read his novels. He had reached a far larger audience through novel than his works of works and of semantics, but he could not expect a million people to reach such a scholarly work of semantics. And Mukund said that The Name of the Rose is a serious novel. A, it has a detective story, but it also deals with metaphysics, theology, and medieval history. Okay, so but the novel enjoyed a huge success. Mukund wanted to know the it was puzzled by its popularity. Eco Reply had published a journalists were puzzled because because they falsely believed it may be, it not may be, and only trash. But some people like difficult reading expense too. There are 6 billion people in this world. The Name of the Rose sold only 10 to 15 million copies. That was a very small percentage of readers. Then Mukund put him the final question. He wanted to know if the novel had huge success because it dealt with period of medieval history. He could replied it would have been one of the reasons. Many books have been written about the medieval history before this novel. His publishers felt that it would not sell more than 3,000 copies because in their country nobody had seen the cathedral or studied Latin, but 2 to 3 million copies were sold in the US. Actually, it was not expected more than 3,000 copies will be sold. But later, 2 to 3 million copies were sold in the US. Eco felt nobody could predict the success of a novel. Had he written the novel 10 years earlier or 10 years later, things might have been the different. Perhaps the time of its writing was favorable to its popularity. Thank you.